On this video today, I'm going to show you a copy and paste strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing anything and without any experience. This method is one of the best, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Yaxin.com. Yaxin.com is one of the best affiliate network where you can find a lot of offers to promote and then earn money anytime you get a conversion. It is one of the best to join because the sign up is very easy and they don't have a minimum payment amount. Any amount that you earn, you can be able to cash it out. So let me scroll down for you to see. As you can see right here, get paid fast. Once you make a money, you can see no minimum amount, so any amount that you make, you can withdraw it within 24 hours on this website. When you scroll down, they have a lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see they have over 4,000 different offers that you can promote to make money from home, and you can sign up wherever you are in the world. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, join. Once you click on join, now you're going to see a page like this. Enter your username, email address. Once you enter your username and email address, enter your password, confirm your password, click right here, register now. Once you click on it, you're going to get access to a free account. I have an account, so I'm going to log in so that I'll show you how you can promote products on this platform. So let me click on login. So let me log in for you to see. As you can see, that has been done. Once you log in, if you want to see your earning, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, select dashboard so that you can see the amount that you earn. Let me show you my earning. So let me click on dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see the amount that I've earned, which is pending, and you can see this is the amount that I've been paid so far. So this is my earning on this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote so that you can make money on your dashboard like this. To find an offer, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, brands and stores. Once you click on it, there are a lot of different brands and stores that you can promote to make money anytime you get a sale. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see these are all brands and stores that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Most of these brands are popular, so all that you need to do is that you have to get traffic so that you can get people to purchase the products for you to make money. You can see this one, for example, credit sent. If you get people to make a purchase, you're going to earn $80 per every sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning $70 per every sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning 8% of the price. This one is 6% of the price of the product. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see HostGator, you're going to be earning 70% of the price of any plan that your potential visitors purchase. You can see a whole lot of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to select an offer that you want. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $100 per every sale that you get. So assuming you are able to get 5 sales per day, you are going to be earning $500. If you are able to get 10 sales per day, you are going to be earning $1,000. So all that you need to do is that you have to find a targeted traffic. Once you get a targeted traffic, it is easy to even get 10 sales per day. So all that you need to do is that select the right offer, find a quality traffic source so that you can be making money even without investing anything. If you want more offers, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, show more brands and stores. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different other brands and stores. You can see this one, sign now. If you are able to get people to make a purchase, you are going to be earning $1,000 per every sale that you get. You can see it right here. So assume you are able to get 3 sales per day, you are going to be earning $3,000 in one day without any skills and without any experience. There are many of them, so all that you need to do is that select the one that you want. You can sort the products based on category so that you find the most suitable offer that you can promote. So if you want to select a category, click right here, select category. Once you click on it, you can see they have alcohol and beer. You can see animals and pet supplies. You can see a whole lot of different other categories that you can select an offer to promote. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. They have toys and games, tobacco, office, sporting goods, and many others. So anything that you want, you can promote it. If you want clothing, you can also get clothing to promote. For example, if you click right here, clothing and apparel, once you click on it, you'll be able to get clothing brands. You'll be able to get popular clothing brands that you can promote to make money. You can see these are all clothing brands that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different clothing brands that you can promote, but most of them, the percentage that you are going to earn is very low. You can see 6%, 4%, 3%, 10%, 15%. So what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can earn a lot of money. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $25. You can see 99 designs. It is one of the popular brands that you can promote, and all that you need to do is that you have to get the people to purchase any item on 99 designs, and you are going to pay $25. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product under the animals and pet supplies. So let me click on select category. Once you click on it, select animals and pet supplies. That is the category that I'm going to be promoting the product. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see all these stores and brands are animals related. So if you want any of the offers you can promote, there are many of them. In this case, I have a specific offer, so what I need to do is that I have to search for it so that I can find it. So let me type the name of the offer right here. Let me search for it. So let me search for it. As you can see, this is the product that I want to promote. The commission rate is $50. It is one of the best offers that you can promote. So let's click on it so that you can see other details of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see the details of the offer. You can see it right here. You can see everything. It is a company that provides food for dogs. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to promote it so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money. You can see this is your affiliate link, so you have to get people to click on this link and then make a purchase for you to make money. There are many traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you highly quality traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn money. The traffic source that you are going to be using today is sitejabba.com. So just search for sitejabba. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first website, sitejabba.com. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This website allows people to write review of businesses. So what we are going to do is that we are going to write a review of the brand that we are promoting so that we can post the review on this website and then get people to purchase the product through our affiliate link. There are many categories of businesses that you can write a review about. So you can see they have clothing, freelancing, dating, wholesale, electronics, office supply, job. You can see legal and many other categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to find a business and then write a review about it so that you can promote the business on this platform. It is free to post your review and then get people to purchase the product. So now what we have to do is that we have to write a review of the product that we are promoting and then post it onto this website. Since we don't know much about the product, what we are going to do is that we are going to use ChatGPT to write a review of the product so that we can use it to promote it. You can write a prompt like this. Once you type your prompt, click right here, send, so that it can write a review for you. ChatGPT is going to write a better review for you. You can see it is writing everything, so just wait for it to write a review for you. As you can see, it has finished writing the review. When you scroll down, it has included a lot of details. You can see the overview, you can see the product range, you can see everything, you can see the ingredients. When you scroll down, you can see everything. You can see the price, you can see the customer feedback, the pros and the cons. You can see a conclusion. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste this review so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to first of all copy the title of your review, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on sitejabba.com and then click right here, write a review. Once you click on write a review, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your review here. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy the main review and then paste it right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to highlight everything, highlight all the review, highlight it. Once you highlight it, you have to copy it. Once you copy it, come back and then paste your review here. As you can see, that has been done. Your review has been pasted. Once you paste it, you can see great job. your review looks really helpful. When you scroll upwards, you can see this is your review. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on yaxin.com. Once you come back on yaxin.com, double click on your affiliate link. Once you double click on it, it has been copied to your clipboard. So now come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to enter a rating. So let's click on 5-star. Let's rate it 5-star. Once that is done, scroll down. If you want, you can add images and videos, but in this case we don't have any images and videos, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to click right here, I certify that this review is based on my own experience. Check the box. Once that is done, you can submit your review. Once you submit your review, you are going to get people to purchase the product so that you can make money. But first of all, you need to create an account. So you can sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you can be able to submit your review. So just click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you can be able to submit the review. Once you click on it, you can see they are asking you to add an image. If you want, you can add it or you can skip it. Once you click on continue, they have to ask you to create an account. Once you create your account, you can see they are asking you to provide additional details. These are optional details. If you want, you can submit it or you can leave it. So for example, let's click right here and then select the category. It is under the animals and pets. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for pets. So just search for pets. You can see pets, you can see everything. Select pet supplies. Once that is done, you can add many other details. You can see, just add as many as you want. If you don't want, you can leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see thanks, your review was successfully submitted. Wow, so your review has been submitted. You are going to get people who will make a purchase for you to make money. You can see this is your review, so people are going to see it. Once they see it, they can read and then make a purchase for you to make money. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.